Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akther Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 2 General Science class based on matching, and it's a RW class. Let's start our class. It's our lecture number 23 and it's the RW class. Here there is two column A and column B. In column A, look here paper, medicine, fiber, glue, spice, etc. are given, and in column B, paper, hemp, acacia, tulsi, shal, etc. are given. When you want to answer the matching, you have to write like that. You can't match in cross section. You have to write like that. First one is paper. From which plant we get paper? Shal. That means 1 with E. 1 plus E. Paper with shal. We can get paper from shal. Number 2 is medicine. From which plant we get medicine? From tulsi. Look, 2 plus D. Medicine we get from tulsi. Number 3 is fiber. From which plant we get fiber? Number 3 from hemp. Look here, 3 plus B. Fiber, hemp. We get fiber from hemp. Number 4, glue. From which plant we get glue? From acacia. Look here, 4 plus C. Glue plus acacia. Number 5, spice. From which plant we get spice? Pepper. Pepper is spice. 5 plus A. Spice plus pepper. You have to answer your matching like that. You have to write your copy like that. Now let's see the second matching. Use A. In column A, number 1 use A. Number 2 at school. Number 3 in the kitchen. Number 4 in a moving vehicle. Number 5 on the road. In column B, do not jump. Number A. B. Follow the traffic lights. C. Over bridge. D. Do not stand on the decks. Number E. Do not go near burning stove. Let's see the answer. Use A. What you will use? Over bridge. That means 1 plus C. 1 plus C. Use A. Over bridge. Number 2. At school. At school, what you can't do? Do not stand on the desk. That means 2 plus D. 2 plus D. At school plus do not stand on the desk. Number 3, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, what you can't do? Do not go near the burning stove. In the kitchen, do not go near the burning stove. 3 plus E. In the kitchen, do not go near the burning stove. Number 5, on the road. On the road. Number 4, in a moving vehicle. In a moving vehicle, what you can't do? Do not jump. That means 4 with A. In a moving vehicle, do not jump. Number 5 and the last one, on the road. On the road, you have to follow the traffic lights. Look here, 5 plus B. On the road, follow the traffic lights. Dear students, we have finished our class today. I hope you have understood today's topic. It was an RW class. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.